Ito guys, ang liit mo guys, ito guys, ang liit guys. Ay, hindi muna natin kukunin yan guys. Ito guys, anong klaseng gagamba to guys? Uy, ito guys, malaki to guys. Ayan guys, ang laki. Grabe, ang laki guys. Kunin ko to guys. Uy, ayun, ayos. Ayos to guys. Napakalaki guys, oh. Uy, putol. Putol guys, putol yung kanyang kuwan guys. Sayang to guys. Ito guys, baka meron dito guys. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Ayun, ano to guys? Ayan, swerte, ang laki. Ang laki guys. Uy, laki guys. Ito guys, ang laki. Guys, grabe ang laki guys. Ayan guys, ang laki. Ang laki guys. Uy, meron pang isa guys. Wow, swerte naman nito guys. Dalawa guys. Grabe to guys. Ayan. Ayan, grabe to guys. Dalawa talaga to guys. Ayan guys, oh. Legit na legit guys. Ito guys. Ito guys. Sapul na to guys. Sapul guys. Ayan guys. Swerte naman na to guys. Ha. Ito maliit. Ito ang liit lang guys. Hindi mo natin yan kukunin guys. Baka meron pa dito. Baka meron pa dito guys. Ayan. Grabe, siniswerte talaga tayo guys, no? Swerte naman tayo guys. Baka meron pa dito guys. Wala na siguro guys. Ito. Maliit pa guys. Dito guys. Parang meron ako nakita dito guys. Wala. So hanggang dito na lang yung video natin guys. Yan, wala yun guys. Paalam na guys. Ito yung sisidla natin guys ng gagamba guys. Oh, ang laki guys. Napakalaki guys. Ito pang isa guys, oh. Ito pang isa. Ayan. Grabe, ang laki guys. So ilalagay natin dito guys. So ayan guys. So ayan guys, nalagay na natin guys. Yung isa dito natin lalagay guys. Oh ayan, dalawa na guys. Ang laki, swerte.